Every EV battery begins with carefully extracted raw materials from the earth. Lithium and other critical minerals become the foundation of every modern EV battery.
Once refined to precise standards, these materials are ready for the EV battery factory.
Precisely prepared materials now begin their journey toward EV battery manufacturing. A synchronized logistics network keeps the EV battery production line supplied. Inside this enormous facility, raw materials begin their transformation into EV batteries. Behind these walls, thousands of precise operations come together to build the EV battery. Clean, controlled environments protect the precision required. The EV battery journey now moves from raw materials into precision manufacturing. Every batch entering the EV battery line is identified and controlled before processing.
Automated sorting ensures the EV battery receives materials with patience.
Controlled preparation creates the consistent material needed for high-performance EV battery cells. The EV battery cathode material is mixed to an exact industrial formulation. A separate precision line prepares the anode material for the EV battery. These carefully controlled slurries are ready to become the electrodes of the EV battery. Precision coating turns the prepared material into the working electrodes of an EV battery. Controlled drying gives the EV battery electrodes their required physical properties. The finished electrode rolls are precisely prepared for EV battery cell assembly. Automation assembles the EV battery cell with microscopic precision. Controlled electrical cycles activate and condition every EV battery cell.
A synchronized robotic network keeps every EV battery moving through production.
Every EV battery cell must pass multi-precision inspections before assembly. Individual cells are precisely assembled into powerful EV battery modules. Inside the final housing, modules, cooling systems, sensors, and electronics become one EV battery pack.
Before leaving the factory, every EV battery pack undergoes rigorous electrical testing.
Laboratory testing verifies that the EV battery can perform reliably under demanding conditions. Only EV battery packs meeting every required specification receive final production approval. Approved EV battery packs are carefully protected and identified for delivery. Inside the automated warehouse, every EV battery remains traceable until its final destination.
From raw minerals to a finished EV battery, precision, automation, and engineering power the future of electric mobility.